Hello, it's your own girl Samira. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing me for the first time, you're welcome. Please feel free to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. Please, you can share, like and comment. And another way for you to support my channel is for you to watch my video to the end. It was a Saturday morning when I went to the market to source for materials for my tutorial. I bought a lot of materials, different varieties. As I was passing by, I don't even have much on me again because I spent a lot already. Then I saw this beautiful Ankara. It has two colors, one with pink background and this one with purple background. This with purple background caught my eyes and I bought it immediately. It was affordable. So I decided to make this beautiful Bustier basket waistline blouse and a fitted pencil skirt with it. All I needed to complete this style was my body to pad my bustier, white lace and lining. So I took my measurements, my bust 34, the length of my blouse 24 and my blouse waist 26. I made a canoe neckline on it. With my pencil skirt, the length of my skirt 38, my half length of my skirt 17, my waist of my skirt 25, the hip, that is the half length of the hip, the waist, from the waist to the hip is 8. I used the white lace to slant on the skirt and a little of it on the blouse because I made a peplum on the blouse. Wow, my bustier basket waistline and my pencil skirt was ready for me to rock. And I had an occasion to attend. Oh my goodness. So I wore my latest outfit that I just made for myself and I had a presentation to present that day. It was a religious gathering. I did my best, I did my presentation, and for you to watch this full tutorial, I already have it on my YouTube channel, so you can check it so that you can learn how to cut and sew it on your own because I already have the video on my YouTube channel. So please, you can check it. I also have other beautiful tutorials on my YouTube channel that you can check so that you can learn how to cut and sew on your own. That's the essence of making this tutorial for you guys to learn how to make these styles on your own. So guys, always be you. I hope you enjoyed this short story and don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share, like and comment. Keep a date with me again on Monday. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Bye bye.